In this video, I'm going to show you how to split test pages in your funnels. So we've got our funnel here and I want to split test my opt-in page. So I want to test a couple different versions to see which one performs the best. And so to do that, I'm going to click on the three dots over here on my opt-in page, and I'm going to click split test. From here, I can go in and edit this page and I can change certain things. So let's go ahead and change the background image, as that's probably the most prominent thing that I've got here. So I'm going to change this image and I'm going to look for people, and I'm just going to choose this one. That looks good enough. All right, yeah, he's very happy. He's reading his newspaper, and then I'm going to hit save. So this just allows me to at least see the difference between the two pages, but you'll go ahead and make whatever changes it is that you want to change, like changes to your images, changes to your headings, even changes to your call to actions to see what performs better. So once you've made those changes, you'll come back and you can go ahead and then adjust how much traffic you want to send to each page. So I want to go ahead and say that, well, I want to send 25% of my traffic to this page, and the rest of my traffic will go to this page. The system is then going to test how well this version of the page performs in comparison to this version. And you can adjust how much or how little traffic you want to send to this page. And to view the statistics of how each of these pages are performing, we're going to click on Show Stats on the top left-hand side. Here you'll be able to see how many unique views, exits, click-throughs, opt-ins, sales, and how much revenue is being produced by each version of this page. So something else to note when split testing your pages is you can create multiple versions of a split test. So if you want to have 3 versions of a page, you can go ahead and split test that page as well, create another version, and then assign traffic to this page as well. But after a while, you're going to watch these pages, see how they're performing, and you're going to eventually decide that one of these pages is the winning page. And to do that, you're going to click on the 3 dots over here, and you're going to assign the winning page as the winner. This is your best performing page. It's then going to ask you to confirm that this page will then receive 100% of the traffic and all of our other variations will be archived. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. And if I want to view the archived pages, I can go ahead and view those archives here. If I want to restore those, I can as well. Now, something else you might be concerned about when it comes to split testing is ensuring that the link being sent out is correct. So you might think, oh, well, each of these now have their own unique link. Wrong. They both have the same link. So to get that link, you'll click here, you'll say copy link, and you'll grab that link and share it with your users. From there, the system is automatically going to split the traffic between the 2 versions, or how many other versions you have. So again, if you copy this link, it's going to be exactly the same as this link. All right, you can also split test other pages in your funnel. So it's not only going to apply to the first opt-in page. You can go to your sales page, for example, and you can split test this, and you can create another version of this page, and you can also go ahead and split test this and see which one is generating more revenue. You can do it with any step in the funnel, but it is probably best to just do this one page at a time and slowly but surely optimize each step of your funnel. But that is how you can run split tests for your funnels. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create expiring funnels. I'll see you there.